the road. The ground underneath my boot heels burns right through my soul.
I'm at Mepkin Abbey now. This is one of the beautiful sculptures made from fallen live oaks that I believe fell during a hurricane in the past at some point. Behind this sculpture, however, is something that has attracted my attention. Back here, there's Gulf fritillaries flying all around. Here's one. Ooh, Carolina Null. Oh, he's showing off. Look at him. Look at him showing off. Oh, there he is. Oh, there's two of them. There's a green one. And that brown one up there. I think he's in charge, or at least he thinks he is. These little dragons are absolutely not afraid of me. I wonder how close I can get. Oh, this guy's changed his color. Probably in response to me. Or the other guy. Maybe he's not afraid of humans either. They're probably looking for the insects that are living on these passion flower vines that have absolutely no more leaves. Because of this guy. The larva of the Gulf fritillary butterfly. And you can see he's probably not going to be threatened at all by the anoles because of his spikes. Here's a little baby. Or a young one anyway. They have just decimated this plant. There's absolutely no more foliage. And look down here, here's a fruit right below another caterpillar. Oh, it's not ripe yet. Won't be long. Wish it was ripe. I'd love to eat one. Really tasty. There's another fruit down there. And the passion fruit is very tasty. In fact, if you've ever had Hawaiian punch, then you've had passion fruit juice because it's in it. I just wish some were ripe, then I could eat them. While looking for old passion fruits that may have seeds, I found snakeskin. It's hard to tell what species, but it does have big wide belly scales, so it could either be a rat snake or a copperhead or a water snake, since we're really close to the river. That's all I found of it, just that little remains, remnant there. Well, I did find a fruit. This one had fallen off of the plant. It doesn't look right, but I'm going to go ahead and sample it. Always wanted to eat passion fruit fresh from the vine. Doesn't look ripe at all on the inside. It's got a very unusual white flesh that is not tasty at all. Well, probably because it's not ripe. But I don't know. Since I've never eaten one, this is new territory for me. Strange white flesh is peeling away. Maybe it's just a rind. And inside there's something that looks somewhat, oh, it's very succulent. Oh my gosh, that's good. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at those seeds. Wow, mother lode. Okay, this is good. Very citrusy, sweet, but not super sweet. Maybe it's because it's not ripe. Problem is, each seed is coated in this gelatinous ooze, as you can see. So you have to slurp out some seeds and suck the ooze off of them, which is the good stuff. That's the hard part. But it's worth it. Definitely worth it. They're yummy. That's good. And now I have a handful of seeds. So after I get all that gelatinous ooze off of these seeds, I'll be able to plant them. Very cool. Ah, look at this. More snake skin. I'd definitely say it's a black rat snake from the scales. Well, I wonder where he is. Maybe I'll find him if I look hard enough. First I got to do something with all these seeds. So back here behind the log sculpture and the passion fruit vine is this massive tree stump. Massive tree stump. Well, this anole is blending in with this plant. He's doing quite a good job. This is why people call them chameleons, but that is an erroneous term. They are not chameleons. They're Carolina anoles. Down he went. Here's an old passion fruit. It may be from this year, maybe from last, but it looks like it's still squishy, so it may have seeds inside. Yeah, there's fruit all over this plant. Here's another one. There's one. I think they're ripe because yeah, there's one that's fallen down there. I can eat that one too. Great. There's several in here. There's another one right here. Couple hanging over there. And there. Maybe these just escape the eyes of consumers, such as humans. And here's one that's fallen. Here's another one. Oh boy, these are full of seeds too. Full of seeds. Look like shriveled eggs, sort of. It's a big one, but still connected. Can't pick it. Not ripe. If they don't come off easy, then they're not ripe. Too bad. Well, this big one here, though, is fallen. This one from last year, full of seeds. Look at that. It's still juicy. I'm going to take these back and plant some of these seeds and just see what comes up. Hopefully we'll get some passion fruit vines going at Earthshine and have some fruit to eat in the future. Very cool. So it's very fitting that the passion fruit vine is growing behind this beautiful sculpture, because the passion fruit is named after the Passion of Christ. This is some incredible artwork. I wonder if the monks made this. Right up on top of the guard's head. Look at him. I think he's in charge of this entire place. I keep seeing him everywhere, flipping out his dewlap saying, look at me, I'm in charge. And up there's a little skink. waving that tail, saying, you know, if you're going to attack me, attack my tail, don't attack my head. And then its tail would drop off, it would get away and grow a new tail. What a great little lizard. And he's gone. No, he's not. There he is. Now he's gone. And he's back. This must be a great place to live. All kinds of bugs crawling all over this old wood. With the passion fruit vines, it produces all kinds of good habitat when the leaves are on it, of course. Even when the leaves are off, the vines create a good tangle for lots of creatures to live inside of. So even though this tree has died and created a loss of a life, it's created a great habitat for wildlife and a beautiful sculpture created by the monks honoring their beliefs. And I have to say, it is a quite beautiful and moving experience to be here, especially with all the butterflies flying around and the flowers. It's very powerful.
I wish I could have stayed, I wish I could have changed, but a rambling man is a rambling man by any other name, by any other name. Well, a rambling man is a rambling man is a rambling